Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Grammar by Asha Dinil. In this video, we are going to learn about one of the parts of speech, the conjunction, and its types with examples. We have already discussed about 8 parts of speech in our previous videos. Let's understand what is conjunction. Observe the following sentences. Sentence 1. God made the country and man made the town. Sentence 2. She must weep or she will die. Sentence 3. He is poor, still people love him. Sentence 4. 2 and 2 make 4. In sentence 1, 2 and 3, the conjunctions join together two sentences. For example, look at the first sentence. God made the country, man made the town. There are two sentences. By using the word and, we can join these two sentences together. Understand? And in sentence 4, the conjunction joins together two words. 2 and 2 make 4. So, by this we come to know a conjunction is a word which merely joins together sentences and sometimes words. So, conjunctions are joining words. There are mainly 3 types of conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Let's understand what is coordinating conjunction. Look at the sentences. Sentence 1. Birds fly and fish swim. Sentence 2. I eat cake but I never eat biscuits. Here, both the sentences contain two independent statements or two statements of equal rank. Independent statement or independent clause means it can form a complete sentence standing alone, having a subject and predicate. Hence, the conjunction joining together two independent statements of equal rank are called a coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating means equal rank. The English language has 7 coordinating conjunctions that you can easily remember the acronym FANBOYS. F for for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Secondly, subordinating conjunction. Read the sentence. He ran away because he was afraid. The sentence contains two statements or clauses. He ran away and because he was afraid. The part of the sentence because he was afraid is dependent on the other statement he ran away. A subordinating conjunction is a word or a phrase that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. What is dependent clause? Subordinating clause is also called as dependent clause. It cannot stand alone as a complete sentence because it does not express a complete thought. So, what is a subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction joins a dependent clause to an independent clause. The chief subordinating conjunctions are while, when, where, before, after, because, although, since, so, until, unless, and if. Look at the sentence examples. You will pass if you work hard. Although it was raining, I ran home. I met her when I was in London. Correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions which are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. Some conjunctions are used in pairs such as either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, whether or, and though yet. Look at the examples. He not only visited Agra but also Delhi. Either take it or leave it. I do not care whether you go or stay. We both love and honor him. When conjunctions are used as correlatives, each of the correlated words should be placed immediately before the words to be connected. Well, I hope you could understand the concepts. Thank you for watching, friends.